particular type of the functions, integrals with a particular type of the functions of second model. Second model, first model में 1 by under root of x square minus a square, 1 by under root, without under root first model में. Now everything is ये without under root वाला में. Integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx is equals to x square minus a square dx is equals to 1 by 2a logarithm of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Integration of 1 by without under root a square minus x square if you are taking, that is 1 by 2a logarithm of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Integration of 1 by a square plus x square, it is in the form of tan inverse, because integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equals to tan inverse x. In the same way, integration of 1 by a square plus x square dx is equals to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Okay, so these three are the we have learned particular type, and now we are going to learn the proof of the integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx is equals to. So how do we get the x square? Here in this situation, you can try to consider x is equals to secant theta. Substitutions only. These are all the basic based on substitution method only. Substitution method से ही all are coming here. X equal to secant theta consider कर लिए तो dx equal to ये secant theta consider करना है, as we are having here x square minus a square. So ये secant theta sin theta, then a square common ले लो, secant square theta minus tan square theta, a square tan square theta, because secant square theta tan square theta is equals to 1 है, and from this denominator we are going to get it as a tan theta. We are going to get it as a tan theta, and a will get cancelled, tan theta will get cancelled, and we are going to get integration of secant theta. And simplifying that, using this identity, a cancel and tan theta cancel, only secant theta is left over. So we are going to get integration of secant theta d theta, this a and tan theta. So what is left over with this integration of secant theta? What is integration of secant theta? Logarithm of log mod secant theta secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, integration of tan x log of sec x, integration of cot x log mod sin x, integration of secant x log secant x plus tan x, integration of cosec x log modulus में cosec x minus cot x. So everything is interlinked. If you know the one thing only, then other we are going to get it. Okay, so logarithm of secant theta. So here secant theta plus tan theta plus some constant here it is taken to you as a p is taken to you. So x is equal to secant theta. So from this secant theta is equals to x by a. Then tan theta is equal to under root of secant square. Because we need to express this not in terms of theta. Final answer theta में नहीं होना है. This should be replaced with the x, because the given expression is in the form of the x. So that simplification is done. Tan theta we are going to get under root of x square minus a square by a, we are going to get it. And these values if you are substituting in the secant logarithm of secant theta plus tan theta, we are going to get log x by a plus under root of x square minus a square by a. तो ये minus log ये आएगा डिनोमिनेटर में a लेने के बाद. तो logarithm of x plus under root of x square plus a x square minus a square minus log a plus c. ये completely a constant है. Log a is constant and p is also a constant. Log a is constant and p is also a constant. That's why completely एक ही constant है. Constant का जैसा consider कर सकते हैं. ये भी constant है, ये भी constant है. So see, that's why p is taken to you first, because one more constant we are going to get it. So the formula for the integration of under root of x square minus a square is equals to logarithm of x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c. Okay, so based on this one problem, let us see here under root of 4x square minus 36. This should be transformed into the that form. So for that, what is you need to do? 4 common लेना है. 4 common ले लिया है. So we are going to get R4 multiplied and divided by. So that 4 is taken outside means 1 by 2 we are going to get it. So 4x square by 1. 4 will get cancelled. So x square minus 3 square we are going. A का place में 3 है. The formula is directly if you are applying logarithm of x plus. So easy to remember क्या है ना? whatever you are having here, the same thing we are going to get here. Logarithm of x plus under root of x square minus a square. Under root of 1 by under root of x square minus a square we are having, means that is the formula we are going to have. Okay. The next thing is, second one is a square minus x square. So if you observe properly, ये क्या हो सकता है? This is looking like in what way? This is looking like in what way? It's looking like 1 by under root of 1 minus x square की जैसा है. Integration of 1 by under root of 1 minus x square की जैसा है. What is the integration of 1 by under root of 1 minus x square? Sin inverse x है. तो ये भी sin inverse की जैसा ही आ जाता है. Yes, here you see here. Why? Because x is equals to a sin theta. आपको ये डाउट आएगा, सर आपको कैसे पता है sin theta ही सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, secant theta ही सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है? देखते तो पता चलता है. Because 1 minus a sin theta सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया तो a square कॉमन ले लिए तो 1 minus sin square theta we are going to get. 1 minus sin square theta value is x is equals to sin theta, means dx equal to a cos theta d theta है. Then on simplifying this we are going to get under root of a square cos square theta and a cos theta है. A cos theta will get cancelled. We are going to get it as a integration of theta, only integration of d theta आएगा. ये cancel हो जाएगा, a cos theta. So integration of d theta. Here 1 by a नहीं आएगा, याद रखना. बहुत ज्यादा लोग कंफ्यूजन क्या होता है ना, प्रीवियस फर्स्ट पार्ट में इंटीग्रेशन 1 d थीटा है, ये कंप्लीट होने के बाद एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. हियर थीटा प्लस c आ जाएगा. थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू sin इनवर्स x by a. x इक्वल टू a sin थीटा. So from this theta is equals to sin inverse x by a. So here substitute करें. So this formula will be is equals to sin inverse x by a plus c. But here you do remember that you are not going to have the 1 by a. Integration of 1 by a square plus x square. A square plus x square में क्या होगा? 1 by a tan inverse x by a है. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. In a confusion here also most of the students will write 1 by a sin inverse x by a लिखता. I have seen that. Please try to differentiate between these two things. आप substitute कर लिए तो पता चलता है. But format क्या है, वो format याद रखने के लिए try करो. Under root of 1 minus x square का formula याद रखना. Differentiation of sin inverse x is what you have already learned. From that you are going to get the 1 by 1. Okay. So based on this, one more problem let us see here. 36 minus 4x square. Problem is solving is very simple here. What to do here? A 4x square is there. If you want, you can consider that 4 common ले सकते हैं. Means x square का coefficient 1 करना है. X square coefficient you can make it as a 1. Or you can 4 is taken common, we are going to get 9 minus x square. 1 by 2 of integration of 9 minus x square. 9 can be written as 3 square minus x square. It is in the form of a square minus x square. Therefore, sin inverse x by 3 are there. So 1 by 2 sin inverse x by 3. That formula whenever you are. The last one is sin inverse x by 3. And the last one is x square plus a square. This is, can anyone guess what can be substituted here? Substitution क्या हो सकता है? ये देख के ट्राई कर सकते हैं. What can be substituted? X is equals to x. In the first formula x equal to secant theta ले लिया. Second में x is equal to a sin theta ले लिया. Guessing not, that is. वो देखते तो पता चलना है आपको. Suppose if you take x is equals to, sorry, x value, ये tan theta ले लिया, 1 plus tan square theta, secant square theta. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Okay, secant already, but a tan theta ले लिया. It is looking like, suppose can we take a cos theta? cot 1 plus cot square theta, because a square common ले लिया तो 1 plus cosec square theta we are going to get it. That is also possible now. So like this, both the cases are possible here in this situation whenever you are taking into consider. ये tan theta है. You try the same problem by taking a cot theta. Why a tan theta is taken here? Why a tan theta is taken here? Because here a tan theta ले लिया तो a square common ले लिया तो it is we are going to get 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Isn't it? 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. डिनोमिनेटर में ये secant theta आ जाएगा एंड इसका डिफरेंशिएट कर लिया तो dx is equal to ये secant square theta आएगा. So in the numerator we are going to get again same integration of secant theta आएगा. Integration of secant theta is what here? Logarithm of secant theta plus tan theta. First problem कैसे है? Same आ जाएगा. When you are proof याद रखना है. इसमें भी लास्ट में क्या आ जाएगा? Integration of secant theta आएगा. You check, you can substitute and you can check it. So you need to get a doubt here. Sir, only tan theta why do you take? Why don't you take cot theta? If you take cot theta, what happens? Try करो. आप try करके check करना. This is only the called experiment. When you are doing the experiment like this only, you are going to get the subject. सिर्फ problem solving when you are doing, you are not going to get the subject clearly. मैथमेटिक्स आना है तो यू नीड टू डू द एक्सपेरिमेंट्स. एक्सपेरिमेंट इज नथिंग बट अब ये tan थीटा ले लिया, tan थीटा का प्लेस में cot थीटा ले लिया तो क्या होगा, लाइक दैट एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है. ये तो सारा चीजें इजी है, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट एक्सप्लेनिंग. देखो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ secant थीटा, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ secant थीटा वैल्यू लॉगरिथम ऑफ secant थीटा प्लस tan थीटा प्लस p है. एंड अगेन हियर a इज इक्वल टू tan थीटा है, tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू x by a आएगा. Secant theta is equals to what do you get? A is equals to tan theta है, tan theta equal to x by a, secant theta equal to under root of x square plus a square by a. Same model आ जाएगा. So whatever it is there, this we are going to get x plus something, logarithm of x plus under root of x square plus a square plus c आ जाएगा लास्ट. ये सारा चीज को कांस्टेंट है. So what is the difference we are having here in this situation? X square minus a square if you are having, x square minus a square if you are having. Here x square minus a square आएगा. Here a square minus x square we are having. Sin inverse x by a because it is in the form of under root of 1 minus x square. Here if you are having a square x square plus a square if you are having, then same model लगा. So दो formulas में, two formulas are having a logarithm and other one formula we are having sin inverse x by. In the previous without under root में two formulas are you are having logarithm and one is tan inverse x by. ऐसा याद रखना. So 6 formulas are there, 6 especially you need to remember here in particular type of. And the problem whenever you are solving here, same model problem, one model problem is taken with different models, different questions will be there here. Okay, so try to simplify. When you are simplifying, you are going to get it as in the form of the x square plus 3 square. So what you are going to get? Logarithm of x plus under root of x square plus 3 square plus c. So 1 by 2 पहले आ जाएगा. So 1 by 2 logarithm of x plus under root of x square plus 9. So these are the different models of the problem we are having. So once again, I will revise you all the formulas. Orally मैं बोल रहा 6 formulas are there. See, clearly I am saying to you, orally you should be in a position to say like this. Okay, integration of 1 by x square minus a square first. अरे x square minus a square बोलो, a square minus x square बोलो, whatever it may be. x square minus a square. तो x square minus a square का x minus के न्यूमरेटर में होगा, x plus के डिनोमिनेटर में होगा. So that is one thing you need to remember. So the formula is integration of 1 by a square, x square minus a square equal to 1 by 2a logarithm of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Integration of 1 by x square minus a square हो गया, and a square minus x square 1 by 2a logarithm of a square minus x square है ना, ये minus x नीचे होगा, a plus x ऊपर होगा. Why a minus x नीचे होगा? उसमें x का कोएफिशिएंट माइनस है ना, उसकी वजह से सेकंड टर्म माइनस आ जाएगा. ये प्रूफ याद रखो. उसकी वजह से माइनस आ जाएगा सेकंड प्रूफ में, तो वो माइनस की वजह से वो डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा, सो ए प्लस एक्स न्यूमरेटर में हो जाएगा। सो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर dx इज इक्वल्स टू 1/2 ए लॉगरिथम ऑफ ए प्लस एक्स बाय ए माइनस एक्स प्लस सी। इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 by a square plus x square is equals to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Integration of 1 by under root of x square minus a square dx is equals to x square minus a square dx बोल रहा हूँ ना, तो x square minus a square dx में लॉगरिथम ऑफ x plus under root of x square minus a square dx plus c, तो वो मॉड्यूलस में होगा। सो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 by अंडर रूट ऑफ माइनस ए स्क्वायर हो गया, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर ले लो पहले, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए, बिकॉज ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर मींस इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ साइन इनवर्स, तो पहले ए स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर ले लो और एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर व्हाटएवर इट मे बी वो से, सो लॉगरिथम ऑफ x प्लस अंडर रूट ऑफ व्हाटएवर इट इज डिनोमिनेटर में है सेम चीज, दैट इज अंडर रूट ऑफ x स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस c आ गया। द लास्ट वन इज 1 by अंडर रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर dx इज इक्वल्स टू not 1 by a नहीं होगा इधर, sin inverse x by a plus c. So these are the main 6 formulas you need to remember here.